Yeah, bro. Can you get my food out of the microwave, please?
The microwave. What'd you put it? Bro, you put beef and eggs in the microwave? Are you dumb as shit? The microwave literally kills all micronutrients in food. So if you want to be eating cardboard, then use this bullshit.
Here we go. Now the microwave is apparently the problem. Some of the nonsense these guys spout is just absolutely insane. Listen, if you're trying to lose fat and get in shape, the absolute last of your worries should be microwaving your food. Tools like the microwave make fat loss so much easier, so don't let topless donuts like that put you off using it, because it will help you stay on track and also help you lose fat. Also, not to mention, everything he just said has zero evidence behind it. So if you're looking for real evidence-based fat loss advice, drop me a follow and I'll help you out.